Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you to clone apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone using the built-in dual messenger feature. This is a great option if you want to use two separate accounts for apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram or Snapchat without installing any third-party applications. Let's get started. So open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Next, scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it to open the menu. Samsung includes several useful tools here, and one of them is Dual Messenger. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Advanced Features page and tap Dual Messenger. Your phone will display a list of all compatible apps that support app cloning. Keep in mind that only supported messaging and social apps will appear in this list. Find the app you want to clone and turn on the toggle switch next to it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to install a second copy of the app. Tap install and wait a few moments while your phone creates the cloned version. Once the installation is complete, return to your app drawer or home screen. You'll notice a second copy of the selected app. The cloned app is easy to identify because it has a small orange dual messenger badge in the corner of its icon. Open it, sign in with your second account, and you'll be able to use both accounts independently on the same device. If you ever want to remove the cloned app, simply go back to Settings Advanced Features, Dual Messenger, and turn off the toggle for that app. Samsung will uninstall only the cloned version while keeping your original app and account untouched. That's everything you need to know. With Dual Messenger, managing two accounts on one Samsung Galaxy phone is quick and convenient. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for spending your time with me, and I'll catch you in the next video with another helpful tech guide.